In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this little eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!